Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to explain how to manage your meetings, your time, and to allow people to book meetings with you using Calendly. Now this is the easiest way. It's a free way for you to provide people with a link they can use to book a meeting with you at the times that you are available in. The first step to do this is to go to calendly.com. Then click on Get Started here on the top right corner, and in here you need to write your email. So I will use an email. Now click sign up, and it will redirect you to sign up with Google since you have a Gmail account. So you can create an account with password by clicking here, or you can sign up with your Google account. Now I prefer signing up with Google account. It would be way much easier. So I will choose a random account, then click allow. It will ask you to sign in to your Google account. It's a secure website, so you don't have to worry about anything. Now this is the Calendly URL. Basically you have to place something here that express you. You can add your name, like my name is Ashraf Madhoun. You can add your company name or anything. People will get the link calendly.com/Ashraf Madhoun. Now this is your time zone. It is automatically selected. If it is wrong, you can change it. Then click continue. Now the next step, as you can see here is how Calendly will work with your email. It will check your calendar on Google for conflicts. It will add events to your Gmail or Google Calendar. So it's a good thing because you can check Google Calendar to see your next meeting. Now click continue. Here you have to enter your available hours. You can select, let's say that you don't work at Fridays, but you work at Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And your available hours are, let's say, from whatever you want. Let's say from 4 p.m., which is 16, to 22, which is 11 p.m. So let's say that every day you are available from 4 to 11. Now you will be able to customize every day's hours next. We will explain that in details, but for now just set the overall range of hours, then click continue. Now as you can see, it's asking you what are you doing. Now select, let's say for me you work on the education business, or you can select freelancer, it won't matter. Then click finish. Now you will have your board, and as you can see, this is my link, and this is the meeting that I can share with people. Now I can change this meeting length by simply go back, click on the gear icon and select edit, but we will not edit it right now. First we need to take care of few things. Availability. Go to availability, and in here you need to select your working hours. As you can see, the working hours is basically the hours that you work in. Now in here you can, as you can see, we already selected all of these in the initial setup. I can change this by simply selecting the plus icon or changing the time here. So let's remove all of these, and let's say that every day I work in two ranges. I work from let's say my weekly hours, working hours, I work from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., which is 14, and other than that I'm free. Now if you want to duplicate this and you have set your time, you can click here and duplicate it by selecting the days. Now it's duplicated on Monday. Now if you want to add another working hours, like I go back to work from 16 to 20, and you can duplicate this to Tuesday, as you can see. So now I have two working hours or two working periods. Now if you want to create a dedicated schedule, you can click new schedule and let's call it center. Now in this center you can select your weekly hours. So I can say that I work every week from 7 to 14. Other than that, I can be free. You can duplicate it to all of these days, and you can specify any additional working hours on different days using the plus sign or by changing this time. Now we are ready. Let's go back to home. Now if you clicked here on the gear icon, you can click on the edit, and in here you can say things like what event is this. You can click here and you can say 60-minute meeting with Ashraf or 40 minutes meeting with Ashraf. Now location, you can say Google Meet and it will automatically create a Google Meet link. You can say Zoom and you can connect Zoom or whatever you want. I will select custom. Okay, for me I think Google Meet is the best option since we are using Gmail account. Now you can offer other choices like Zoom. Here you can say anything about the meeting, which is a description. Here you can change the link to 40 or 60 minutes in our case. You can change the color to, let's say, red, and save. Now we are done with what event is this. Where can people book this event? Now you can choose the duration of the meeting, which is 60 minutes, and you can choose to set custom hours for this meeting or for this link, or you can choose to set or use an existing schedule. Now we created two schedules, working hours and center. This is center and this is working hours. Now you can choose to add time before and after each event so that people won't book one meeting after another in the same day. You can choose a 5-minute break, which is a good thing, and basically this is what you need to set. Now as you can see, weekly hours, it will be from 7 to 14, 7 to 14, 7 to 14, and you will see that in a minute. Now you can add questions here, name, email. You can add additional question. This question is good, you can add it too, and you can add any other question like what is your email, what do you want us to talk about, is this a lesson or a consultation. Now you can add the information here, click save and close. Now other than that, nothing else needs to be set. Now you can click view live page to see what's happening inside your page, and here it is. This is a 1-hour meeting and a 60-minute meeting with Ashraf. The name of the meeting, he can select the days that you have set, let's say Sunday, and he can select any time between 7 and 13, which is basically the time that we have set and the availability here. Now if you want to edit this, as you can see, if you want to edit these times, we already mentioned the time limit. Now the time that you want people to book is this time. So people will be allowed to book between 7 and 14. Let's say that I work from 7 to 14 and I don't want anyone to book hours at this period of time. In this case, you have to add 2 periods. Let's say from 5 a.m. to 7 and from 14 to 21 or 22. In that case, as you can see, if we refresh this page, this is on Sunday. If we refresh this page, on Sunday, people will be allowed to book meetings with me from 5 to 6 a.m. and from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m., which is the availability time. Now, if anyone booked a meeting at this time, it will be deleted from my availability hours. So no one can book a meeting at someone else's time. And this is the main point of using Calendly. I hope that everything is clear. Now the link that you need to share with people is simply this link. As you can see, this link, copy link, and you can paste it anywhere. As you can see, Calendly/ashrafmadhoun/60 minutes. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Share your Calendly link with us in the comments. Thanks for watching. Happy event booking. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.